This is activity 4.2 on page 68, defining task relationships. We have our file My HR Manual WBS open. Now that you have outlined your tasks, you want to form relationships between the tasks. As you look at the linked tasks in your WBS, you see that the relationship between two of the tasks should be changed because you do not want them in a finish to start relationship. You also realize that there should be a delay between two of the tasks, so you will add lag time to the predecessor task. Excuse me. Number 1, use the timeline to get a sense of the entire project's duration. Observe the two entries on your timeline. The begin project and project complete tasks have the same start date. And that is Monday, August 5th, 2024. You can see start date, project complete. We're going to right click on number 2, which is research phase, and we're going to add this to our timeline. And we want to add the remaining phases to our timeline as well. So we're going to right click on outline phase, add to timeline, right click development phase, add to timeline. Right click number 5, edit phase, add to timeline. Right click number 6, which is review phase, add to timeline. Right click number 7, print phase, add to timeline. And then lastly, right click number 8, publication phase, and add to timeline. So as of right now, every one of our phases and tasks have the same start date. You can see August 5th. Number 2, we're going to create finish to start relationships between the tasks in each project phase. In our task name column, we're going to select all 4 tasks in the research phase. So let me scroll up here. So we have 2.1 and just click and drag down to 2.4. And you can see in the Gantt chart, they all have the same start date. We're going to go up to the Task tab of our ribbon. And in our Schedule command group, we're going to select Link the selected tasks. And now you can see the change in the Gantt chart. The 4 tasks have been linked. The duration of the research phase has been changed to 5 days, and the arrows on the Gantt bars indicate that they are linked. So those arrows here. We want to expand the width of the task entry table so we can see our predecessors column. Click and drag this over for you. Here we have predecessors. The start and finish dates have been updated to reflect the finish to start relationships. Tasks 2.2, 2.3, and 2.4 now have predecessor tasks indicated in that column. And we want to use this same technique to create a finish to start relationship for the tasks in the other 6 phases. So we want to scroll down to our outline phase. We're going to click and drag, select 3.1 to 3.4, and we're going to link the selected tasks. We're going to scroll down and select 4.1 through 4.5 and link those tasks. Scroll down to phase 5. We're going to select 5.1 and 5.2 and link those selected tasks. Select 6.1 through 6.4 and link those. Select 7.1 through 7.5 and link those. And then lastly, we're going to select 8.1 and 8.2 and select those. And we also, number 4, it says to link 8.2 link 8.2 post to extranet to task 9 project complete. So we're going to select 8.2 and task 9, and we're going to link those. So you can see now the completion date now reads as August 6th. Number 5, scroll to view the bars in the Gantt chart. Does the updated Gantt chart look correct? So you can see everything's kind of going through. Everything within each task, summary task, has a finish to start relationship. But all of our phases, you can see, still have the same start date. So we need to link non-adjacent tasks next. In our task name column, we're going to select task number 1, which is begin project. We're going to hold down our control key and we're going to select 2.1, which is review existing HR manual. And we're going to link these selected tasks. Because the begin project task is 0 duration, the first research phase task starts on the begin project day. We're going to use the same technique to link 2.4, interview department heads, to 3.1, create outline. So select that, hold down control and select 3.1, and we're going to link those. And you can see that start and finish dates are only weekdays. Weekends, Saturday and Sunday, are automatically excluded. We're going to continue to link the last subtask in each phase to the first subtask in the following phase to make each phase dependent on the previous one. All right, so we're going to scroll down. I'm going to select 3.4, hold down my control key, and select 4.1, and I'm going to link those. So now 4.1 cannot begin until 3.4 is finished. Select 4.5, hold down control, and select 5.1, and I'm going to link those. Same idea, 5.1 can't start until 4.5 is complete. Now I'm going to select 5.2, hold down control, 6.1, and link them. 6.4, hold down Control, select 7.1, and link them. 7.5, hold down Control, select 8.1, and link them. So we should have a project completion date right now of November 12th. You can see here the diamond. You can see in our timeline it also shows November 12th, and obviously our task entry table as well. And we also want to scroll up in our task entry table to verify that the duration of the whole entire project right now is not estimated, it's set to 70 days. Okay, next in number 7, change the relationship between tasks 2.2 and 2.3 to the start-to-start relationship. So we're going to double click 2.3, review government regulations, and we want to go to our predecessors tab. So right now, 2.2 review common industry practices must finish before the selected task can start. It's been decided that both of these research tasks can start at the same time. So in our type column, we're going to change this to start to start. So they can start at the same time now. And click OK. The Gantt chart shows the dependency as a start-to-start relationship. Also, the SS dependency type is indicated in the predecessors column, so it should say for SS. Number 8, link tasks 2.2 and 2.4. We're going to use our Control key and select task 2.2, hold down Control, and select 2.4. And we're going to link the selected tasks. Number 9, we want to add lag time between two tasks. We're going to double click on task 2.4 to open up our task information dialog box. And on our predecessors tab, in the lag column for review government regulations, we're going to set our lag to 2 days and click OK. And because of the 2-day lag, the duration of the research phase has increased, you can see, to 6 days. And if we take a look at our timeline, it shows a quick way to visually see the duration of the entire project. The Timeline Format Contextual tab contains tools for modifying the appearance of the timeline as you desire. We're going to go up to our Quick Access toolbar and save our updates, and we can leave this file open for our next activity.